today we're going to get to you the basics of bachata. There's nothing really complicated in this dance form, it's just a social dance, and these steps will help you on the dance floor at a party or any occasion that you want to dance to. So the basics of the bachata will be shown to you along with the basic turn. So today I've got with me Nirmala. Nirmala will be assisting me in the dance form. And we start off with the basic step. So I just want to explain to you what the basic step would be like. It would go, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if I'm going to with my partner, I will start off like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if I'm going, I will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now if I want to move forward and back, I can also do that. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now my left leg will move forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it goes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The other step you can do in the basic bachata move is a hand flip. So what I suggest to you is when you're doing this step, go 1, 2, 3, 4. Lift this hand on top and drop it down so that the partner moves and comes up. So it goes 1, 2. Now this flips you can do it on 1 of 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The next step I would suggest to do is, which is very simple, is the combing. Where I need to just remember on this step, it's not a straight hand. You need to change the hand in between. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now on the count of 1 to 5, you can move your partner here. Move this hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, even though we're keeping our hands crossed, you can do the flip, the underarm flip. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the other step you can do basically in bachata is the turns. So the turns would go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now my lead for my partner to turn is I lift this hand up and I guide her this direction and go 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4. If I want to turn, I'll lift this hand up and I'll go 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'll show it from here, from the side step. Okay? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The other turn we can do is a hand lock turn. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I open up again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The other option for this lock is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we can repeat the flip, the hand flip that we did at the start and go 5, 6, 7, 8. So I go 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are the few basic steps that we can do in social dancing or when we're going out for a party. So these bachata